want to show you how to play Baby Blue by George Baker. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody. Once you get the melody down, you can pretty much put it together. We start off on a G. We're in the key of C, and we start off on the G below middle C to be close to the same vocal range. G, G, E, F, G, C, D, C, G, C, E, D, D, B, A, G, B, D, C. We repeat that with a little pickup there. G, 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 E, F, G. A little bit different rhythmically, but the same notes. C, D, C, G, C, D, D, B, A, G, B, D, C. Then we go on to the chorus with E, D, C, B, A, G, C, D, D, F, E, D, C, B, E, D, C, B, C, D, C, B, B flat A, C, F, E, G, C, E, D, G, B, D, C. There you have the entire vocal line there. And for the introduction, we'll have an F chord with F in the middle. C, F, A, C chord, C, E, G, and G7 chord, B, F, G. The G7 is G, B, D, F. We're going to leave the D out, and we'll just play the B, F, and the G right there. Then in the right hand, we'll just go F, F, E, D, E, D, C. So here it is together. See, we hit that C chord twice. We just pop it again. So. And we hit this G7 chord twice. And we go into a bass line. G, C, G, A, B, C, G, C, G, A, B, C, G, C, C, B, A, G, D, G, G, A, B, C, G, C, G, A, B, C. So the bass line just kind of repeats and it matches the melody. So we go. So when we come out of that G, A, B, B, G, we just hit the G's together. Bassline switches, you go up with it. C, C, D, E, F, C, F, E, D, C, G, C, G, A, B, C, G, C, C, B, A, G, D, G, G, A, B, C. And then it's the same. So you're going to walk up to an F, F, C, F, right back down to the C. C, G, C, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, down to a G. So your only harmonies in this song are C, G, and F. So in the chorus, starting in the chorus, we start off with the C, C. We're walking up to an F chord, C, C, D, E. We've got parallel tenths there, an octave plus 2. contrary motion. A, B, C, E, D, C. Nice sound. And here's contrary motion again. Bringing it in close. So D, E, F, B, B flat, A. We're back in that F tonality. Walking back into the F chord. And then our interlude is just like the introduction. Changes a little bit on this second verse. So you'll see just a little bit of rhythmic differences. The notes are pretty much the same, but the rhythms change, and you add a couple of notes in there. Like instead of G, G, you got three G's in a row. G, 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 E, F, G. And then two E's here, C, D, E, so longer E's right there. But other than that, rhythmic changes, it's pretty much the same. Play C, B, B flat. Here's that contrary motion. And when you come down, you're going from a C, you're hearing that dissonance, you're going from an open fifth F and C to an open fifth E and B in the harmony there. That's what's causing that. The C, and we go right to another open fifth, and to another open fifth. So you've got parallel fifths in there with little notes in between them, but so that's what you're picking up on there. It's kind of an open sound to it. You can finger it however you want. You're going here. C, C, D, D. I just cross over off of that D. Now here they add a harmony part above it. So we're going to go E, D, C, and A. So the melody is E, D, C, B, A, G, but we're gonna add a sixth above it. E, D, that C and A, B, A, G and E, C, D, E, D, E, F, E, D, C, and then we'll have a B and D. We'll have a D above it, so B and D, and then we're regular. So for the tag chorus, we've got. little pauses in there. So right after that last vocal, that last baby blue, walk up to an F chord, and we'll walk the bass line up D, E, F, and then back down E, D, and hit an octave. So walk up to the F chord, D, E, F, E, D, octave, and bring the right hand down. So you're up here to the A, C, F, bring it right down to E, G, C. So now I'll play it the last few bars there, just so that you can hear it without me talking. There's two ways to play that last chord. You can either hit it straight, or you can roll it. So both of them sound good, so I'll let you decide. Baby Blue by George Baker. Hope you enjoy it.